When disaster strikes, every second counts. In moments of crisis, confusion spreads faster than the storm itself. Rescue teams lose precious time, and the public struggles to make the right move amidst chaos. That's where DishaOne steps in. DishaOne is an AI-powered disaster management platform designed to predict calamities, plan evacuation routes, and coordinate rescue operations, all in real time. At its core lies an interactive map, the heartbeat of DishaOne. With all hospitals, shelters, and evacuation routes intelligently highlighted, it provides the shortest and safest path to safety. And because emergencies don't wait for steady hands, DishaOne supports voice dictation, Simply Speak, and the app responds instantly. In times of disaster, every helping hand counts. Through DishaOne's Donations tab, anyone can contribute directly to verified rescue missions and aid organizations. Because together, we don't just rebuild homes, we rebuild hope. Powered by AI, DishaOne doesn't just show data, it thinks. It prioritizes rescue zones based on real-time conditions, alerts authorities instantly, and provides live surveillance feeds from affected areas. Knowledge saves lives. With DishaOne's Education tab, anyone can learn quick safety tips and first aid steps, because awareness today means safety tomorrow. Because when disaster strikes, every second, every decision, every life matters.